I want to start with a shloka from Gita. Nahi jnanen sadrishyam पवित्रम इह विदिते। इस संसार में ज्ञान से बढ़कर पवित्र कोई भी चीज नहीं है। I don't know how many of us in the audience know this shloka, but knowledge is power, everybody will be knowing. The cultural regression we have been suffering over the past few centuries has made us vulnerable to foreign civilizations. Nonetheless, they have helped us also to evolve in various ways in our progress in other things, directions. Anyway, I wanted to congratulate Mr. Jain to have increased the wealth of knowledge and in a way which will help to evolve sacredness and piety in this universe. Mehrotra Sahab just said that he knows Mr. Jain since 1994, but I know him from 1986. I think I met him when he must have been just out of the college. It was in Ghaziabad and he was at that young age handling this HCL computers. I am giving credit to myself कि उस कंपनी को गाजियाबाद से दिल्ली लाने का शायद मुझे जाता है शायद, या देयर वाज अनदर मेहरोत्रा साहब, ही वाज माय बॉस इन मेरठ. तो राइट, I took a fancy for him. I remember when I was transferred from Ghaziabad back to Jammu, I came and visited his residence somewhere east of Kailashar, because that was the impression I carried about this person as a chartered accountant. I usually don't go to people, but he made an impact at that young age. And the progress he has made, so it is understandable. But I was surprised to get that words of message in which it was written that he has authored a book also. I was thinking he is making money only. Now I think he has made enough. And this lady made it all public. At least she should have known कि income tax वाले भी हैं यहाँ पर. But probably Jain Sahab has taken care of all that. We all have books inside us. I think if we keep contemplating, each one of us has a book inside us. But it needs courage to come out and write a book as Mr. Jain has done. I also started writing a book after retirement. The first problem was how to go about it. And my experience have not been very pleasant also. And then I gave it a shape also. As a bureaucrat, what will you write? I think bureaucratic arrogance, that should be the first thing. But then I found that I am not the only person, or the bureaucrat is not the only class of persons who is arrogant. Because there is the concept of judicial arrogance, there is the concept of journalistic arrogance. Everybody thinks he is somebody. Then I started compiling it chapter-wise, based on my contact with people of different categories. I have given it a shape. Now I think I am encouraged with the example set by Mr. Jain to go ahead, and whatever it is worth, I will get it published someday. And if Mrs. Gupta is willing to help me, to lend me a helping hand, maybe I will also succeed in getting it done much sooner. As somebody has said, because age is catching up with me, they say, do something worth writing or write something worth reading. I hope this book reveals something done by Jan which is worth reading, and at the same time she may have helped him to make it worth reading also. Thank you all.